Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Amazon Prime account. For those people who are not familiar with Amazon Prime, it is a paid subscription program from Amazon which is available in various countries and gives users access to additional services otherwise unavailable or available at a premium to regular Amazon customers. To log into Amazon Prime, watch the video till the end, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Simply go to your web browser and on your URL box, simply tap on amazonprime.com and search. Tap on the hamburger menu located at the top left corner and you'll be able to see a button that says hello, sign in. Simply tap on it, you'll be taken to a next page. If you already are a customer in Amazon Prime, then simply type in your email or your phone number or any mobile accounts. If you are new to Amazon and you need to create a new account, simply tap on create account and fill in your information in order to continue. Since we are signing in, let me tap on the sign in option and enter your email address and then tap on the continue button. On the next page, type in your password for Amazon Prime. If you forgot your password, then tap on the forgot password option located right below at the right side. If you want to keep yourself signed in, then check the box right here, and after you're done, tap on the sign in button. That is how you can log into Amazon Prime account. I hope the tutorial was useful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back again with more tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.